Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Pandemic Lee, and today we are playing Shell Shockers with sound. You heard me right. Shell Shockers with sound. You never thought it was going to happen, but it is happening. So let's hop into a game of Shell Shockers right after I turn off my ad blocker because it's I forgot about that feature. Goodbye, no ads. You will be missed. Okay, we're back in. Let's go. Okay. Infinity%, yes. Makes sense. I'm in game. There's not many people in game. Shotgun. This is my least favorite thing about this game. It is infinitely laggy on any server. Where am I getting? Jesus. Where am I getting? Oh! What happened to the graphics? One shot. Actually, you know what? Whatever happened to the graphics is a good thing, because now my game is running a bit smoother. I say a bit. It doesn't really mean anything. It's a bit sad. Oh god, there's someone with hard-boiled. Whoever this egg is behind me can go die in a hole. Okay. I predicted. Wait, I don't have an ad blocker on. That's so goofy. No, bro, that's so goofy. That is so giga goofy, mega. Oh! Why do I have infinity ping? I have better ping at school. What is this goofy R? This is one goofy R game, bro. This is one goofy R game. I got him. Let's go. Got the sweaty kid with infinity kills. And that should not have been a kill because I was in the sky. I'm going to switch back to spray weapon. Please. Oh my god. You know what? Freaking chicken winner. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is boring. I won. Yay! 100 egg. Let's go. Let's go. Where is my man? I must get beamed. Where is the beam? Here is the beam. That is very goofy, bro. This is very lag. This is very... Oh, no, 200 ping. Oh, God. The difference between 200 ping and 30 FPS in this game and Minecraft is an infinite gap, bro. This game is infinite lag, and I'm on the best possible server to be in. And guess what? I have to do Asia servers for Minecraft, and I still get less lag than this. This is goofy, bro. This is goofy. Oh, I feel like I should join a different game. That's so goofy, bro. Nah. I had good ping. I had green ping. Stop telling me my ad blocker's on. It is not. This is so goofy, bro. No. why is it saying my ad block is on? It's giving me a waste of time. This one. I think this is the same game as before. Because it's definitely the same map. Actually, no, it's not. Goofy man with shotgun. Goofy man with shotgun. I feel like I'm slightly less laggy. What the Goofy are? Why is this guy not hacking? I think this guy might be hacking, but he might also not be hacking. Because he's using a pickaxe. Bro, even my timer to join the game is lagging. What the Goofy shenanigans is this shit? Where am I getting beam mode from? I can't play this game with this lag. Should we go play something else, boys? Actually, you know what? I'll just suffer the lag for a bit. This is ultimate pain. Oh man, bro. I don't like this lag. It's a bit goofy. I got him, but he killed me at the same time. That's like my first kill in so long because of this goofy lag. I think I'm probably gonna switch back to the shotgun. It's the best gun for lag. You can't do anything with a laggy sniper. You just can't. It's impossible. You know how this is laggy? It's not normally this laggy, bro. I get better FPS at school. On school Wi-Fi. Don't play games in class, kids. It's not good for your mental well-being. I hate this ad block delay. It's very goofy. Okay. Once I get hard-boiled, which is literally never gonna happen, I'll stop. Remember. Goofy! Goofy! I would've killed him! Goofy! This game is lagging like infinite. Bro, this game is lagging like infinity and I can't help anything that's happening. X2 weekend coming soon. If only it was X2 egg weekend. I hate this. I mean, Aussie ping is bad, but it's not this bad. Like, Jesus. Ding dong, the Navy SEAL is gone. What? I just got shot from all the way across the map. And then Probird's existence made me die. Two, one. That is so impeccably lucky. Okay, this is better. Oh, I got the faster boy. No, Goofy. There's no way I got the faster boy. What happened to my pistol skin? I know I have one. I don't know if it was any good. Yes, I got the bad captain. Let's go. Once I get hard boiled and die, I'm ending the video. Okay. Oh my god, I got a 3 kill streak. That's an achievement with this much lag. You hear me mocking about the lag and not the screen quality? The screen quality doesn't have anything to do with my gameplay. I can still see everyone else perfectly fine. I just can't play freaking laggy. Ah! Oh. Very goofy. Oh, there's a person right there, and I believe that, yeah, they have a snooper. Scary snooper. Scary snooper. Scary snooper. Please. Tell me your Dakota. What the goofy are? No. Beam. Spray. Yes. Oh, good. When the next person, I take it back. I'm never getting hard-boiled with this much lag. The next person to get hard-boiled, and also when I die, will be when I leave. In the combination of those two things. I mean, obviously the next person to get hard-boiled could very well be... Okay, yeah. When I die, I'm leaving the game. Oh! Yep, alright. That is absolutely the end of this video. There is no way I'm playing this game any longer than how much I have. Because this is just... That is what I like to call painful lag. Goodbye. If you liked, subscribe. And if you subscribed, like. And if you did neither of those things and watched the video till the end, you are classified as a good person. But subscribe to be even a better person. Okay, bye.